I don't think so. But you can turn around if you want. Left us. Oh yeah, and then we go the big way. The church up there is gorgeous. There's so many churches here. It's right here.
So here we are at Gozo.
We've Il Rabbit.
Victoria. We've finally put boots on the ground in Gozo. We're finally here.
Finally.
It's taken a while, but
well, we saw a good view on the way.
That's where I'm getting a coffee next.
Okay.
That place looks fantastic.
Yeah.
They might have good
first?
food. Yeah, get food. Food and pizza.
Yeah.
And shop around. I'm looking for a gift for myself.
On as well.
But it's a beautiful place.
Am I gonna go up?
Woo! Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Alright. It's a hill. We rode all the way up there and now we're like, yeah. Let's park at the bottom and walk the whole way. So now we're gonna walk the whole way up.
Well, it wasn't easy to find a safe parking spot.
I'm enjoying this because all our Australians back home are freezing. It's like 9 degrees. So I'm pretty grateful that we're in 23 degrees right now. Having a beautiful time.
Should I take some cash out?
It's up to you. I got plenty. If we need more, we'll come back.
Oh, we're doing something later.
Alright. Hey door.
Hey door.
Alright, so we've just eaten. We are walking through the place. We just saw a red boot. It looks pretty cool. So now we're going to walk up to the Citadel.
Yeah.
And we found this street. We just went for a little walk. Just these streets are amazing. These little Maltese balconies are just fantastic. Little windows. So we're just going to venture around for a little bit, have a look, see what we can find, head up to the Citadel. Wow, this corridor is amazing. Yeah. We always get lost in these little areas. They're perfect.
Oh, it's so hard to know where you are.
It's so hard. But fun.
But it's amazing how
you see more when you venture off the beaten track.
And prickly pear seems to be something big here in Gozo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I think this is the one. Alright. Hey door. Alright, we're on top of the Citadel. It's beautiful. Sarah's doing a panorama. The view is fantastic.
Be in it, it looks like.
Alright. This is amazing. It's a beautiful view.
Yeah.
Almost a 360-degree view. It's absolutely stunning.
Very hilly.
Very hilly. Gozo is really hilly.
Oh, so is Malta at the top.
Yeah, the top's a bit, but this is really hilly. Let's go check out the other side.
Like they don't lie in the tourist leaflet when they say like, oh, Gozo is very green.
Gozo is very hill. It's massive up here though. You can just be up here. There's heaps of space. There's not many people. Wow, look at that plateau.
Yeah.
Never would have expected that here.
Look at all the church stones everywhere too.
Wow. Never would have expected that. Hey bear. It's crazy. It's beautiful though. You want to go higher? We'll go up higher and see what we can see. We can definitely see the main island of Malta. Gozo as far as we can see. I don't think we're the highest though. I don't think this is the highest point. I can see a lot of other points that are a lot higher.
Yeah.
Alright, let's head up.
Oh
From up here you can see much more of Malta. Beautiful. Gozo. So many churches, so many high plateaus. I never would have imagined it like this. The plateaus are absolutely huge. Give you some vertigo. There's so many nooks and crannies you can climb up. It's so cool. I wonder if we can see the Blue Lagoon from the other side.
It's pretty high.
Let's go have a look.
Higher, higher, higher.
Higher, more. As far as we can go. Thank you. I think we're as high as we can get. It's tippy. The plateau's high now. What do you think, Bear?
Yeah, someone brought the.
My pants. It's so cool. I think we're going to do the whole circle. Ooh, it's tipping. On the other side, you can see the Blue Lagoon. Can you see? Yeah. Close. Look, that's all the old part. Left to ruins. Now let me show you the good one. Whoa! Alright, come here, Bear. Look at the dead cat, just struggling. So here we are at the highest point of the, what's it called again?
Citadel.
Citadel. And
It's high.
it's high.
And you can see how hilly
The
Gozo
plateau is awesome. You can see all the city from behind us. That's pretty cool. I don't know how much of this you can hear. It's pretty windy up here, but it's awesome. Woo! We were down there.
Yeah.
Come have a look, Bear.
No, I'm not.
You don't have to look. You just come to the.
Got it ready for you.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. A bit sketchy because it's windy.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've now circled the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. The view is spectacular. I'm not sure if that's the Blue Lagoon or if it was on the other
it's
side.
hiding behind the hill.
It's hiding behind the hill. We can't see the Blue Lagoon. But it's awesome. So we started down there. Now we're going to go back,
Yeah.
do the whole circle, go down, get a coffee, then do the quad bikes, and boom,
Yeah.
gone.
Boom. Go and see something else.
Alright, next thing.
Lots of things to see before 5 o'clock.
6.
6 o'clock. Well, the temple's shut at 5.
We can see the last one at 3. It's almost 3, I think.
one.
Alright, let's go. Hey, dog. Wow, the dead cat.